Well, this is stop and go. How about that? Easter Sunday, March the 31st, 2024. It is about 20 till 5, about 80 degrees, going to 62 tonight. That's a pretty sharp turn if we don't try to keep from getting over in that other lane, and there are 2 turn lanes there. The Disco Kroger used to be over there to the to the right. What is it now? What are they doing over there? Are they redoing it? Gonna make a new Disco Kroger? Does anybody know? Rupert's was there. We're going straight down Piedmont. Just crossing over Peachtree. There's one of those electric scooters. East Paces Ferry. Crossing Peachtree, it turns into West Paces Ferry, goes down by the Governor's Mansion, then goes on out to Vinings. Far Road up there on the right used to be Oxford Books. It was like a round bookstore. I really liked that bookstore. And lady, you need to get over and you're staying in your lane. You're over here with us. You need to move over about a foot. Stay on Piedmont. What are we going to do? Which way are we going? We can stay on Piedmont and go through Morningside. We can stay on Piedmont and go out Monroe. That might be, well, Piedmont Park might be busy around the Monroe Drive area. Miami Circle used to be I don't know what it is now. It used to be find all kind of specialty shops and stuff, high-end stuff there. We should see some colorful people. Uptown, was this where the Gold Club was here, or was it down at the next one? I think the Gold Club used to be at the next one, I think. Yeah, the Gold Club was right down here on the right hand side. This is Lindbergh. To the right will take you up and dead end into Peachtree. To the left will take you over and sort of run into La Vista. Briarcliff will cross. Well, not La Vista, yeah, it'll cross it. What am I thinking? Yeah, North Druid Hills goes into Brookhaven. Yeah, it'll take you down to La Vista to the left. We'll go down this flat here. Peachtree Creek is down here at under this bridge. We're sort of running parallel with Peachtree to our right. Up here on the right is that, I think it was at a gay club that that guy bombed during the Olympics. What was his name? This bridge section right here is where the homeless guy was living and set fire to all that pipe that was stored under the bridge and collapsed. You can see the new section where it changes. Homeless encampment. Now up here on the left right there is Tattletales. Rock and Roll Lounge. I guess that's still adult entertainment, I don't know. I guess it was Buckhead back around 2008. And there's some kind of spa. And then the Platinum Club. And then Cheshire Bridge will come in up here to the left. The Cheshire Bridge and this little triangle down through here is where all the adult entertainment type stuff was or is, or what, I don't know, don't know. But yeah, there was a hail claim turned in at the Tattletale back there, and everybody in the office was married except me. And so guess who they gave the hail claim to? And there wasn't any hail damage up there, so they didn't get a roof. Not that they didn't make an effort. And that's all we'll say about that. Again, they did not get a roof. This stuff is relatively new. I'm not down. I used to be down here almost every day, but yeah, all that stuff is still new. What's it from? I didn't see a price. Probably 700,000. Now down here on the right, there used to be a good restaurant, Cow Tippers on the right. They had excellent steak. I only frequented this place once or twice. It was right here on the right. Old Smith's Bar is right here on the right, if it's still open. Now this is Monroe Drive, but let's turn left on Monroe. I think, yes, Smith's Old Bar is still there. Neighborhood joint. Live entertainment, I assume they still do. Now that bridge up there, the date stamp on it, I think is 1935. I think that's one of the oldest bridge date stamps that I found. I think the one crossing Peter Street Bridge is, I think that may be the longest bridge in Atlanta. I think it's 1935 as well. This will take us by Piedmont Park on the right. We did a house for a builder down here. Very upscale house, very unusual. The master shower was a complete walk-in. The whole master bath was just a complete walk-in. The master shower itself had 5 Palladian windows down the back side, 2 across the end, and you could, see through glass, but it was one way from the waist down, so nobody could see in from the waist down, but they could see in from the waist up. But it was far enough away from Piedmont Park where it shouldn't have been a problem. But yeah, you could look out over Piedmont Park from that shower. It was a very interesting house. Be a lot of stop and go. That's one reason if I come to Atlanta, I try to come early in the morning to get video. Now Monroe Drive will turn into Boulevard once it crosses Ponce de Leon. Amsterdam will take you over to North Highland. We need to be in the left lane, don't we? All the way out Boulevard to the Federal Pen. About 5 o'clock though. I guess we will turn. I don't know if we'll go down Ponce or whether we'll go down, I don't know which way we'll go yet. I'll tell you what, let's turn right here and go across through the Virginia Highlands. After my divorce, I spent a lot of time down here in the Highlands around Dark Horse Lounge or Dark Horse Bar, whatever they are, whatever they call it. Limerick Junction, the Irish place. Blind Willie's. I didn't go in Atkins Park much. I wasn't crazy about Atkins Park, but I like the Dark Horse. I've got to admit, I like the Dark Horse. like Moe's and Joe's, which is a little bit further down. I had a lot of fun at the Dark Horse Tavern. That's what it is, Dark Horse Tavern. Can we get around you here? Now we're on 10th Street. Yeah, that's it, 10th Street. I think. No, what are we on? I don't know what we're on. No, it's not 10th Street. This is Virginia Avenue. Okay. Virginia Highlands, Virginia Avenue. There you go. It's been a while since I've been down here. Dated a girl down here for a while. I say a girl. Wonder if she still lives down here. So we're going to turn right and I guess go up to Ponce. Go right by the Dark Horse. I wonder if this little hardware store is still up here. There was a very good little hardware store up here. They had good prices on the large clay flower pots too, the real large ones. I think Virginia Highlands is sort of packed today. Let's see, what are we going to do? Are we going to go through Decatur, or are we going to just stay on Ponce and go out and catch 285 at 85? What are we going to do? What are we going to do? There's little hardware stores here. Ace Hardware in town. They have some good plants and stuff too. I'm always like, I'm gonna have to come down here and check that place out again. Blind Willie's still open. Yeah, Blind Willie's. Limerick Junction Pub, and my favorite, the Dark Horse Tavern. That Surin of Thailand is supposed to be a very good Thai restaurant. I never cared anything about Thai food, so I went there once and wasn't impressed. But that's just because I didn't like that type of food. It wasn't because it wasn't good food. And not this light, but the next light is where we need to turn. We may go ahead and turn this off and wrap it up. Okay, we're going to turn it off right here, and this will be a wrap.